This guy thought his friend surprised him with a brand new iPhone, but what happened next was crazy. Never trust your besties.
مغلبني بقاله 6 سنين بصلح في امه.
لا 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 انت طيب شو ده ابو احمد يا تعال تشوف مصيبته. لا 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 لا